Yung Luz Vimin, pinoint out ko naman na si Melina, para siyang yung Kobe Bryant nung team na yun. Yung Kobe Bryant ng 2009-2010.
Meron kang Kobe Bryant factor going musically.
Parang feeling ko kasi yung mata mo talagang madodraw sa kanya eh. Meron siyang star quality na feeling ko mag-work sa isang global stage. So hindi lang sa Pilipinas, kundi pang sports pa. The group, it was a very shaky start. Very rough. I think that's why they finished last. Mahirap din kasi you have like what, 3 minutes to impress people. And considering na it's a contest kasi everyone nga dito, mga singers kayong lahat eh, so hindi mo madadaan to sa singing. Yun yung parang feeling kong, tama ba yung word, kabalintunaan about the whole thing. Yung idea na hindi mo makukuha sa singing ang singing contest. Kailangan mo nang magkaroon ng marami pang ibang intangibles. Tulad ng grit, tulad ng ability to connect, looking relaxed and comfortable. Because if you're not relaxed and comfortable, yung audience mahihirapan din maging relaxed and comfortable at ma-enjoy yung performance. So, ang dami ng factors na papasok for the group. Yun. Parang kinulang sila doon kasi ang tagal nung take-off. Lumipad naman sa dulo, pero medyo last minute.